Okay, families, I want to show you really quickly how you can log in to Kids A to Z. You choose Kids A to Z. My teacher username is mholler3. You click that green arrow, or down here, if you've logged in before, you will see that it's already an option. Your child needs to find their name. Please help them locate their name and icon so that they can do this on their own later. I will sign in as sample student. Everyone's password is the same. You choose the green turtle. Click go. It might take it a minute to get logged in, especially if you have lots of things going on with your internet. But in a second, our reading room is going to pop up with the different spaceships. I want your child and you to choose the one that says My Assignment has the orange spaceship. This is where I want them to be reading from when we're reading together in class. You choose Single Assignment, the one with the stack of books. And then they get to choose what book they want to read. They don't have to read all of them if they don't want to. I want them to read the ones that they like or that they enjoy. But as we change what we're learning in reading time at school, their book options will change as well. So please do that with your child every day so that they get great at logging into Kids A to Z.